it's already been a month I didn't post anything because, to be very honest, life after graduation has been so hectic. Like, I was stressed, confused, and trying to figure out my next step. And after thinking a lot, now I'm already in Guwahati, taking up some, not taking, gonna take up some course like to improve my skills and find some new opportunities for myself. And to be very honest, like, life after graduation isn't that simple as people make it look like. There is stress, confused, and sometimes you feel like everyone else has figured out except you. But I realized that, sometimes it's okay to slow down, take some rest, and then do what is good for you, because you can't always rush into something just because everyone is doing that. And yeah, guys, so from today's words, I'll try to be consistent and post at least once in a week. So please keep supporting me.
को बांटे और एक स्वस्थ भविष्य।
हेलो कितनी इन है 7 इन है
The young occupants of the apartment.